Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe, especially on the East Coast. We just got hit with some major snow. You guys can see that stuff I do not like at all. About maybe 5-6 inches, but it is nasty out. So we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. If you like this one, all you gotta do, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this one fast to you. So here we go, guys. We're gonna rock and roll. I'm surprised still we got mail on this day. But I'm sure the roads are pretty bad out with this nastiness. I don't like this type of weather at all. I miss the 70 degrees. Nice and warm. Cold is not fun. What we have here, what do we have here? Ooh, Nooie Outdoor Security Cam, 1080p, wireless HD camera, home surveillance, waterproof. It is a bullet kind. Oh yeah. These are always nice ones to have around your house, your business, your parents' house, grandparents' house. I think this is the one. Shaped like a bullet. Yeah, buddy. Bada boom. Nooie. Our good friends over at Nooie. HD, 1080p, full HD, cloud storage, night vision, motion detection, waterproof, Nooie lifestyle. These are really cool. So like I said, all you gotta do, if you like this type of style, like chopper style, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart. We'll do a setup. Definitely not installing this outside today because due to the weather, I'm not going to fall and hurt myself on the ice because it is pretty bad out. So we're just going to do a small install in here. Nooie, right off the bat, looking pretty good. Open says me. There we go. We got the Nooie. Manual, we gotta leave that there. There's gonna be an app to download on iOS or Android. Probably a QR code. Oh boy. Oh, these are little tiny guys. I think everything is out. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we got it. Nooie. We got something new to show you guys. Oh, we got all the goodies in this little box. We got the plug to plug it in. Alright. Oh boy, here we go. Yeah, USB. Pretty simple, like the cell phones, smartphones, tablets. Oh boy. We got some mounting brackets. Like I said, I'm not going to use these today because it is really bad outside. But that's what it looked like. Oh, I got the screws in here. So really cool. These are right there. Something different setup. But like I said, we won't install it. But we'll show you how to set it up. And we got here a battery cover or something. Mounting bracket. I think that might be a mounting bracket or something. Here she is. The Nooie bullet. There we go. Oh, come on. Oh, man. How toughy. It's like you gotta... There we go. Okay, dokie. Okie dokie. Hokey pokey. Clear this up a little. Oh, they got a nice little front cover for the lens. Live with style and ease. Nooie. You don't see that too often on cameras. They should though. Really cool. Ooh, baby. There you go. Dang, this is nice. There's the bottom. Yeah, see? This you're gonna have to. Come on. Don't be stubborn. You catch my drift. This goes on the back. Here, it's like this. Yeah, so it goes on the back. But like I said, we're not installing. We're just gonna show USB. A nice long cord too. It's always good spots for like your garage, even your office, like I said, your home, your shed, anywhere. Wi-Fi. Connect to this long cord. Okay, I got a spot available, so let me plug her in. Clean up the garbage a little bit. Bada boom. So there's going to be an app we're going to have to download. The app is, what is this? Nooie. There is app. I think it's like Nooie. Yeah, all you got to do is in your Google Play, type in, download the Nooie Cam app. And then an iOS App Store. So we got the App Store popped up right here. Let me unlock my phone. Bada boom. There's my apps. We got the iOS running. iPhone. So we're going to search. Oh, poop. Okay. It is called Nooie Cam app. Here he is. Sucks, I don't remember my, hold on, I'm gonna have to reset my password. Alright, we got it installing right now. It's really fast to install. There we go. So, this is what it looks like. Allow. So, always allow. Allow. Now, if you bought the smart plugs and already set up your Nooie account, you could just log in. I do believe. Let me try that. Or I might have to re-register. I think we can. I think I can. Shoot. Alright, almost there, guys. Almost there. Just a few minor password time and I'll be done. Oops. Yep, I'm gonna have to, hold on. Okay, dokie, guys, we got it there. Set up, home. You just gotta do your brief password, set up your account. Really simple. Takes them under 2 minutes. So now we got her plugged in. Ooh. We're gonna hit the add camera. And it looks like the Nooie cam. Red light is on. The heat is on. Let me enter my password for my router. My Wi-Fi password. So, a few minor things you gotta do, but really simple. See, oh, gotta do the QR scan. I hope I get it right. Ah. Whoa. Let's see if I got it right. I think it, once it makes that beep, it means it's recognized. See, it's flashing right there in my left hand. Awesome. I think we got it. Pairing. Oh man, that was easy. Easy peasy stuff right here. Connected. Holy smokes. Some cameras take a while to hook up, but look how smooth. Ooh. We got it, guys. Camera installation. See, it tells you what those are. See? That's like a bracket if you want to do indoor, outdoor. And we already got that done. Next, but like I said, it is cold outside. Name your camera. Office. Office space. Ooh, I can't wait to see the quality. Would you like to use XS? Yes. Okay, whoa. Speak, listen, siren, screen, record. Sweet. And this ain't no contract on it, so that's really cool. You don't have to pay a monthly fee. Firmware update, sure, why not? Oh, it's gonna take a few minutes. Really cool, guys. It was like what? Under 60 seconds to hook that up. It is downloading the firmware. That should probably take a few minutes to download, but all depends on your internet speed and what's going around you. If you got a lot of Wi-Fi stuff hooked up, it might be a little slower, and it might go a little faster. It depends on your location in the world. But dang, that was easy. Easy hookup. All right, there we go. So that was about a minute for me. I would say a minute or two. Updating. So don't worry, it's almost there. Come on. Bad. It is done. Just about. Let me clean up my mess. Oh man. It is any second. Like I said, that was easy. If I could hook this up, you guys could do it. So, just saying. You can get it at a low cost right now. Great deal on these things. Really cool to have. I have quite a few actually home cameras now that are all hooked up. Now I'm going to add this one. Like I said, I'm not sure where yet, but definitely it's lightweight. See, it's updating with the oh yeah, it's just about done. So it's nice. Look at all the LEDs right here. Really cool. Put that right there. Give it a few seconds. Still updated. See, that's what it looks like right now. Oh, you could also subscribe to the secure cloud storage if you want. I'm not, because like I said, this could be like a probably office for me, or maybe even, oh, I already got one in the garage, got them in the back. So I don't know. I'm going to take a spot for it though, but yeah, see, it's going to take a second to update. Oof. We got it. Oh yeah, updated success. That's what we would like to hear. There you go. That's a welcome jingle that everything is running. Ooh. Look at that. You can flip. Dang. Oh, that's nice. You guys can see the snow. Look at that. It is snowing. That's a bad word around here in this household. I hate snow. But I like where I'm at though. Michigan is a really good home. But the snow stuff is not for me anymore. Maybe in a few years I still wake out of here. Look at that. Sky is gray. Not cool, man. But they got the date time stamp on top of the left. Really cool, simple to use for your phone. Rocking and rolling. Really cool, guys. Check them out. Nooie home camera. You guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.